Welcome the our channel. Today we how to create a data entry system with Airtable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button and create one. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the Airtable dashboard. Click on the Add a Base button to create a new database. You can choose to start from scratch or select a template. For this tutorial, let's choose to start from scratch. Name your base something relevant, such as Data Entry System. Now, click on the base to open it up. Inside, you'll see your base with a default table called Table 1. You can rename this table to something like Data Entries by double-click. Next, you'll want to customize the fields in your table. Click on the first column header, which typically defaults to name. Change this field to Entry ID to uniquely identify each entry. Now, click on the plus icon to add a new field. Select the field type based on the data you want to enter. For instance, you might want a single-line text field for name. Continue adding fields for other types of data, like date, email, or notes. Make sure to choose the appropriate field types for each. After you've set up your fields, it's time to input data. Click on the first empty cell under each column to start entering your data. You can either type the information directly or paste it from another source. If you have multiple entries, you can continue adding rows by clicking the plus at the bottom. To enhance your data entry system, consider using Airtable's filtering and sorting features. Click on the filter button at the top to set your desired filters. This helps in organizing and viewing specific data points easily. You can also sort your entries by clicking on the column headers. To automate certain processes, consider exploring the Automations feature in Airtable. Click on the Automations tab and follow the prompts to set them up. Finally, share your data entry system with team members by clicking on the Share button. Input their email addresses and set their permission levels as needed. That's it. Your data entry system in Airtable is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.